Quickly.
Welcome, my all dear friends. Today we will discuss about the chapter number 3, part B, carboxylic acids. Dear friends, in previous few lectures, discuss about the chapter number 3, part A, aldehyde and ketones. Different chemical reactions of aldehyde and ketones. Reduction reactions of aldehyde and ketones. Now, in this lecture, discuss about the part B of this unit as carboxylic acids. Now, first, what is by carboxylic acids? Dear students, you know that acids, you know some organic, inorganic acids. You heard the name of the organic acids, inorganic acids. Out of this, here the name of carboxylic acid, that means here the example of organic acids, or most important types of carboxylic acid, the organic acids. Now first, what is by organic acids? Carbon containing compounds or carbon containing groups. Now here first define carboxylic acid. Simple. The compound or organic compound in particular which contain COH group, that means carboxylic group. Such group is known as a compound is known as a carboxylic compounds. That means simply the acid which contain carboxylic group, such acid is known as a carboxylic acids. Okay. Now the next definitions of carboxylic acid: the most widely occurring organic compounds which contain carboxylic group. Such organic compounds are known as a carboxylic acids. Now, next question is, what is the carboxylic group? Carboxylic group is derived from carbonyl group directly joined with the hydroxyl group to form a carboxylic group. And the name of the carboxylic group is also derived from carbonyl group and hydroxyl groups as carbo from carbonyl and XYL from hydroxyl. This is known as a carboxyl. COOH. C double bond O, OH. C double bond O from carbonyl and OH from hydroxyl. Dear friends, although the carbonyl groups is virtually a uniform, one carbonyl and one hydroxyl groups, property of these constituent groups are profoundly modified by the mutual interaction to give the carboxylic acids and their own distinctive properties. That means carboxylic group is an independent functional group or having an independent property, functional properties, though they contain carbonyl group as well as hydroxyl group. Because you know that carbonyl group containing compounds known as aldehyde and ketones. Again, hydroxyl group containing compounds known as, if in case of aliphatic particular, so known as alcohols, aromatic known as phenol, etc. So this is the definition about general information about the carboxylic compounds or carboxylic acids. Now carboxylic acid means organic acid or organic compound which contain carboxylic group, COH group. Such organic compounds are known as carboxylic acids. Okay. Now again you know that the name of carboxylic acids depends, common name particularly depends upon their name of their origin or derived from that part. Again, next name IUPAC name, but particularly name of aldehydes and ketones and etc. derived from the name of the common name of the carboxylic acids. As example, formic acid is the first example of carboxylic acid. Is first observed in a formica. It's a Greek word that means red ant. That's one known as a formic acids. It's a derived name or name from origin, from their source or origin. This is a common name system. And you know that in case of IUP system again, first select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing functional group. So here which is the functional group? COH group, carboxylic group acts as a functional group. Now selected chain of carbon atom acts as a parent alkane. Again here you know that in case of selected chain, carboxyl carbon is always number 1. That means total number of carbon count in selected chain and name. But first write down the name of that parent alkane, then replace the ending letter En by OIC acid. OIC acid. Okay, this is general part. We learn about this part in I think in 12 first semester, second semester, or 11 and 12. But here general just revision about the nomenclatures of carboxylic acids. Now the next numbering the selected chain of carbon atoms. So always carboxylic carbon is always number 1 carbon. So numbering starting from the carboxyl carbon. Okay, in this way use the name as the alcoholic acid. Alcoholic acid. For example, in case of formic acid, HC double bond OH. So here only one carbon is present, which is known as methane. Now replace the ending letter E by OIC. That's known as a methanic acid. Known as a methanic acid. Due to the present only one carbon atom, it is simple methanic acid. That means replace the ending letter E from parent alkane by OIC acid. Okay. Now general information about the functional groups. So here this is the functional group of carboxylic acids. This is a carboxylic group. Carboxylic group. It may be written as like this or like this, or sometimes RCOOH. Now here R is nothing but alkyl or aryl group. It may be alkyl group or aryl group, or sometimes in first case, first example, it acts as a hydrogen. It acts as a hydrogen. Now carboxylic acids such as acetic acids is known as a centuries number. Known as a centuries. The number of natural products of carboxylic acids, or they are derived from them. That means most of the natural products of carboxylic acids and another acids are derived from the example acetic acid. Now next, an important part, structure and reactivity of carboxylic acids. That means here structure of carboxylic acid and their reactivity of that carboxylic group. Now the reactivity and the structure explained on the basis of resonance theory. On the basis of resonance theory. Structure of carboxylic acids present in a carboxylic acids can be explained on the basis of their non-equivalent resonance stability of that carboxylic acid and powerful equivalent resonance stabilization of that carboxyl anion. That means according to resonance theory, structure of carboxylic acids particularly in a carboxylic group can be explained on the basis of non-equivalent resonance stabilization of carboxylic acid and powerful equivalent resonance stabilization of carboxylic anion. Now first, non-equivalent resonance stabilization of carboxylic acid. non-equivalent resonance. That means here resonance stabilization is not equal. Now in a case of structure number 1 and 2, now this is the carboxylic acid. Now in carboxylic acid, simply you know that oxygen atom carries 2 lone pair of electron. This one also. Now this pair shift on this carbon atom, also on these oxygen atoms. Okay, that means this oxygen acquires negative charge while this carbon acquires positive charge. Now at the same time, due to the presence of lone pair of electrons on the oxygen donates the lone pair of electron to that deficient carbon, adjacent deficient carbon. But in case the resonance stabilization is not possible or not equivalent here in example first and second. That means reducing structure first and second and contributing structure to hybrid structure of a carboxylic acid, and these are non-equivalent. Hence this is not much important related to their stabilization. What about equivalent resonance stabilization? This is actually powerful resonance stabilization due to the equivalent resonance stabilization of carboxylic anion, carboxylic acid particularly. They form after carboxylic anion. Now how form the carboxylic anion here first? Now this is the carboxylic anion. How form the carboxylic anion? Hydrogen atom from the hydroxyl, that means COH group, replace in the form of proton or remove in the form of proton to form a carboxylic anion. Now this is the carboxylic anion. This carboxylic negative charge on this carbon atom just shift on this carbon atom. That means here simple resonance form. How equal or equivalent the resonance structures here in a resonance hybrid. Now this is the resonance hybrid structure. So what happened? The negative charge, complete negative charge is shifted on both oxygen atoms. This is a resonance hybrid. That means in this structure number 3 and 4, contributing the hybrid structure of carboxylic anion. But in case of non-equivalent, this is not possible. That means here again, this is explained X-ray or electron diffraction studies shows that these two structures are equal stability or equal distribution of negative charge here. Equal. That means in this case or in this case. So combined together to form a resonance hybrids. That means here these two structures has equal stability of and equal distribution of negative charge on the both oxygen, this oxygen and this oxygen atom also. Okay, so it is a equivalent resonance is observed here. Okay, that means here it is explained again by using an example or some few evidence. Let us consider one example of carboxylic acid, which is the formic acid, and sodium formate. That means combined with replacing the hydrogen atom from carboxylic acid by sodium to form sodium formate here. In formic acid, 2 carbon oxygen bond is present here. Okay. In case of sodium formate also, these are the same. But carboxylic group in carboxyl further inert due to fully carboxylic group is present. Why? This is because the resonance of acid molecules. C double bond O will have same single character, and and COH bond will have a same double bond character. So the bond length here in case of C double bond is greater than that of the pure bond length. That means in case of pure, which is a 1.22, but here 1.23. Okay, here also 1.27. Same in case of COH. Now this is COH bond length is less or shorter. That means in pure form, which is actually 1.43 angstrom, but now here it is a 1.63 or here 1.27. That means here somewhat less or shorter than that of the pure form. Now in both example again here, in formic acid, The bond length in between C and C double bond, which is 1.23. Here in CO 1.3 in formic acid particular. But now in case of sodium formate, bond length in between carbon and oxygen which is 1.27, and a carbon and oxygen here those combine with the sodium is 1.27. That means here the bond length in between carbon oxygen same, particularly in a carboxylate anion. That means here it is an example, a proof of or evidence of a equal distribution of resonance. That means equal resonance stabilization here in a carboxylic anion particular. Okay, now this is about the structure and reactivity of carboxylate. This is most important in case of the attachment of another groups, particular carbon atom to which carboxylic group is attached. Okay. Now next part, acidity of carboxylic acids. That means carboxylic acids shows acidic character. So why? Or what is the nature of carboxylic acid, or combine the acidic property of the carboxylic acid with alcohol and phenol. So first explain the acidity of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are found to be much weaker acid than that of the mineral acids. You see here like this. That means inorganic acid is stronger acid than that of the carboxylic acid, but they are more acidic than that of the alcohol and phenol. Carboxylic acid has less acid, weak acid as compared to the inorganic acid or mineral acid, no doubt, but which is more acidic than that of the alcohol and phenols. The more acidity of carboxylic acid than alcohol is due to the powerful resonance stabilization of carboxylic anion, which we discussed in previous part, particularly in structure and reactivity, which is only possible in carboxylic acid. That means stabilization of carboxylic anion, which is possible only in a carboxylic acid. For example, when alcohol releases the proton from it gives a carboxylate anion. It gives carboxylate, and now in the carboxylate anion, oxygen is directly attached to the carbon atom, which is in sp3 hybridization state. Hence, resonance stabilization of alcohol is not possible here, because which is oxygen directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atoms. What about in carboxylate? But now in carboxylic acid, it releases the proton to form carboxylate anion. Now in carboxylate anion, if the again here equal distribution of this pipe here in between these two oxygen atoms in a carboxylate anion, and now the oxygen atom is directly attached to that carbon atom which is in sp2 hybridization state, and hence it is a powerful resonance stabilization in that carboxylate anion, which is a possible, which again explained in a previous part. But here again same, due to the sp2 nature of this carbon atom and equal distribution of this pair of negative charge on this both oxygen atoms, stabilization is increases. Resonance stabilization of this anion, which is the powerful, or increases. Okay, that means as compared to the alkoxide and carboxylate anion. As in alkoxide ion of alcohol, resonance stability is not possible. Resonance stabilization is not possible. But whereas in carboxylate anion of carboxylic acid particular, powerful resonance stabilization is possible. Hence, thus alcohols are weak acid than that of the carboxylic acids. Okay, isn't it? So this is the most important part of carboxylic acid. So basic and important part of carboxylic acid. So which part discussed in this lecture related with carboxylic acid? First, what are carboxylic acids? Definition that carboxylic acids, that means the organic compound which contain carboxylic group. Such organic compounds is known as the carboxylic acid. How derive the name of that carboxylic group? Again here, it is derived from carboxyl That means particularly carbonyl, carbo from carbonyl, and OXYL from a hydroxyl, like this. And again, though they come, although they form carboxyl group form from carbonyl and hydroxyl, but the property of that group, carboxyl group, is totally independent. So it is the independent functional groups. Okay, and now acetic acid is the most important acids. Number of natural products are of carboxylic acids, or they are derived from them. Now next part discuss about structure and reactivity of carboxyl. Here two parts most important: non-equivalent resonance stabilization and equivalent resonance stabilization. That means after eliminating hydrogen atom from the carboxyl group, particular hydroxyl group, to form equivalent resonance stabilization, and before this to form a non-equivalent resonance stabilization. Okay, it is explained by supported evidence, bond length evidence of the carboxyl group, particularly formic acid and formate. Now next part, acidity of carboxylic acids. That means carboxylic acid is less acidic, a weak acid, as compared to the mineral acid, no doubt, but is more acidic than that of the alcohol and phenols. So for this, how it is more powerful, more acidic than that of the phenol or alcohol? Again here, those powerful resonance stabilization obtained only in a carboxylate ion. That means carboxylate ion of carboxylic acid. But such resonance not possible in case of alcohol. That means in alkoxide ion from alcohol or of alcohol, eliminating proton, releasing proton. Again, one more point is oxygen atom, which directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom in a alcohol, but now in case of carboxylic acid or carboxylate ion, oxygen atom, both oxygen atom directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atoms. So it is possible to form the powerful resonance stabilization in a carboxylate anion, which is possible in a carboxylate anion or carboxylic acids. That's why alcohol is weak acidic than that of the carboxylic acids. Okay friend, thank you.